Welcome to this presentation about the Epson TM-88V. As many retailers know, we're changing the way we shop. In a world where more and more transactions take place via the internet, providing a tailored shopping experience, quick delivery, and efficient customer service, customers are beginning to have higher and higher expectations from their in-store experience. This puts pressure on retailers, especially if their POS systems can't support the advanced functionality their customers are asking for. For instance, hardware that doesn't give the opportunity to integrate mobile technologies into your POS solution can close doors further down the line. But in the same way, hardware that is slow or unreliable can also contribute to a negative experience for the customer. And even if you do decide to update your hardware, you need to be absolutely sure it will integrate easily into your existing solution. So, based on this, there are some very specific things you need to have in your POS solution. You need a flexible solution that gives you state-of-the-art, future-proof technology and allows your existing POS setups to coexist with additional web and MPOS services. But together with this, you need hardware that you can depend on, that will not only be fast and reliable, but will also allow you to print from a range of device types, such as PCs, smartphones, and tablets. And it needs to integrate seamlessly into your current solution, so that's hardware and software, and be easy for all members of staff to use. At Epson, we've been working on meeting all these needs to give you an ideal POS solution so that you can keep up with the demands of your customers and ensure your technology is future-proof. What else would you expect from Europe's #1 POS printer manufacturer? This is the TM-88V, just one of our industry-leading POS printers. Functionality like a 300 meter per second print speed, ePOS technology and a 4-year warranty has helped the TM-88V become one of our most popular POS printers. But we know the market is changing, and in order to meet your needs we needed to innovate. Introducing the TM-88V, the latest in a long line of innovative POS printers from Epson. The TM-88V is built on the stable foundation of the TM-88V, but then the increased functionality is influenced by what your customers are asking for. The result? A state-of-the-art combined PC and MPOS solution with best-in-class reliability and advanced printing features that's easy to integrate into your existing solution. The TM-88V has technology that enables a flexible solution that works with both mobile and PC-based POS solutions. The TM-88V enables retailers and hospitality businesses to benefit from affordable and innovative tablet and web-based POS solutions without compromising existing PC-based solutions. A tablet-based solution can be implemented while the printer is shared with the PC POS, and the TM-88V can be dynamically shared among different PC and mobile devices with different interfaces. Plus, if businesses do not have a PC, Epson's ePOS technology enables printing from mobile devices or web-based services without the need of a PC or POS terminal or any drivers. With Server Direct Print, web-based services are made simple. The TM-88V actively checks the server to obtain data and print directly from the cloud. This means that customers can take advantage of cloud-based services such as seat reservation, click and collect shopping, delivery services, and coupon schemes. The advanced features of the TM-88V start with receipt printing itself. Queues have a negative impact on sales, but with an industry-leading print time, the TM-88V can help businesses to hit faster transaction times. This helps to reduce queues, providing customers with a smooth experience at checkout. Epson is committed to developing products that have a reduced impact on the environment. The TM-88V has a drastically decreased power consumption in comparison to the TM-88V, both when operating and in standby mode. And the TM-88V is ENERGY STAR certified. Another environmental feature of the TM-88V is paper-saving technology. The technology in the TM-88V can already reduce receipt length to a high degree, but the new features of the TM-8886, character height reduction and backward paper feeding technology, reduce the size of receipts even more significantly, meaning that customers printing at high volumes can save up to 50% on paper consumption and keep printing costs low. Beacon support uses Bluetooth technology to enhance the customer experience. It enables mobile devices to print on the nearest available printer, and this makes the shopping experience even more seamless for staff and customers. The TM-8886 continues the TM-8885's legacy of best-in-class reliability in terms of print head, cutter and mechanism life, which is enhanced with a 4-year warranty. With the TM-8886, you can benefit from worry-free, reliable operation even in high-volume printing environments. The TM-8886 is simple and easy to connect with smart devices. The NFC application can detect the printer network address by reading the NFC tag and can then connect and print. This makes it easy to pair either a mobile device or tablet to the printer. Easy setting functionality and the TM Utility web-based API make setup and configuration easy. And with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and Ethernet interfaces, the printer can be integrated into virtually any operating environment, providing staff with an easy-to-use, fast and on-demand printing solution to improve customer experience and services. Coexistence allows the integration of web and MPOS services into existing PC environments. Coexistence means that the TM-8886 is easy to integrate into a range of environments, from grocery stores to hospitality businesses. And whether you are looking to create a new fleet of printers or integrate with existing TM-8885 printers, the TM-8886 provides an easy to integrate and compatible solution. As you can see, the TM-8886 is packed with functionality to ensure it can stand up to the retail challenges of today and tomorrow. It is a state-of-the-art receipt printer offering mobile device connectivity, fast printing speeds and high reliability, with advanced features to support the coexistence of traditional PC POS and web or MPOS services.